Hello, I'm D.Serves, and I'm here to serve you. Recently, I went into Walmart and spent $86 in efforts to make some money. Now, I know you guys are wondering who am I, all this other stuff or whatever, but I'll get into that a few episodes down the line.
Who are you?
The main thing I'm trying to do here is show you guys some pure content on how to make some money. So, I'm going to get right to it, but before I do that, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe, most importantly, because I will be dropping new vlogs on a regular. That's right. So if you guys have been nervous or scared or not sure where to get started on making some money, e-commerce is the way. That's right. E-commerce is the way. I spent 86 bucks and made $362 and counting from Walmart. A place that a lot of folks act like they don't like to go. But guess what? I know who you are. You done been to Walmart because I done seen you in there. I'm not going to hold you guys up on this episode too long because I'm only here to inspire. I'm not in here to tell you guys what to do with your life. But I just want to show you guys how easy it is to make a few bucks online. The harder you work, the more you will make. Trust me. I've been doing this for 3 years and I wouldn't be still doing it if it wasn't possible. So please subscribe because these upcoming episodes are going to be super dope. I'm going to go into full detail on what I buy and how much I made on certain ones. Can't give you guys all the gems yet, but I will give you guys the newcomers, the ones that think about going out reselling online. Trust me, I'm here with you guys. Leave a comment, ask questions, whatever you guys want to do. I'm going to be full transparent on this one particular store. So please, tune in.
Okay.
So now let's go on in there and try to make some money while we go shopping at the same time. So let's get right to it. Oh yeah, wait a minute. Subscribe now.
Total of 86 bucks off of the two. Was able to grab some pretty cool stuff. Low price with high possible returns always is my aim. Anything John Deere in the stores, grab it. Don't walk past it. It's always deals everywhere. Mystery toys, guys, always go crazy. It's amazing how much money you can make off of these little mystery toys because people really do love these things. Anytime I find a deal like this with the mystery toys, I walk out the store with the box because a lot of times people want the box as well and will buy the entire lot. Yes, I said the entire lot. So don't walk past these joints. Look it up, do your research, see if there's a possible way that you can make some money off of it. This here I might keep for myself. These go for about 70 bucks. But I'm liking how advanced this router is. So think about keeping it for myself. But that's the last 2 days of pickups. 80 bucks spent.
All right, here we go. First up, let's see. We got the Linksys MaxStream Dual Band Wireless Router. I paid 19 bucks for it, and I ended up selling it for $74.89. I know previously I said I was going to probably end up trying to sell it, but I actually listed it at a price above what was actually the router was actually going for. And I said if it doesn't sell in the next 6 months, I'm going to keep it. It ended up selling a few days after I listed it. And I paid 19 bucks again for that, and I got $74.89 off of that one. Next, we have the Amflow air compressor. It's an airline inline particle water filter, I guess. Sorry about that. Paid 5 bucks for it. Sold it for $19.99. Now we have the Training T-ball softball hitting aid stand. It's for T-ball. It's a Rawlings brand. Paid 2 bucks for it. Ended up accepting $25.09 after offer. Couldn't really resist. It was the first one. get the feet wet, showing the listings that there are things being sold in that particular listing. Sorry, a little tongue tied today. Sorry about that, guys.
Stop it. Get some help.
Next, we have the Pokemon Ultra Sun Nintendo 3DS game. Paid $5 for it. Ended up selling it for $43.09. Next, we have another one. This is the second one, the T-ball softball hitting aid stand. Again, I paid $2 for it. Ended up selling it for $25.68. Next, we have the second Pokemon game that I got out of those two trips. This one is the Pokemon Ultra Moon for the 3DS as well. Paid $5 for that as well. Ended up selling that for $46.64. Yes. The third one, of course, you guys already know I paid $2 for it. Ended up selling that for $23.01. That was pretty much a rough negotiation. The guy sent out two different offers. I just said, you know what? Go ahead and take it, man. It's yours, my man. Hope you enjoy that. Looks like this one's a back-to-back one here. So the fourth one, ended up taking $23.60 for that one. All right. Next one again. Wow. Went back to back to back, I guess, on this one. Again, $2. Took $26.15. Next, we have the Monster Jam Steel Titans 2 for the Nintendo Switch. Paid $5 for it. Ended up selling it for $32.25. The last but definitely not least was the T-ball hitting aid stand again. Paid $2 for that again. Ended up taking $26.83 that time. Also, I also mentioned in the beginning of the video that and counting. So this one actually was sold in the middle of me editing this particular episode. So I'm not a a tech guy or nothing like that, but I'm new to this, and after hours and hours of editing, I decided to just go ahead on and add this piece just like I did at the end, so I don't have to go back and edit, and it takes about another 2 to 3 days for me to get this information out to you guys. But anyway, this was the Jada Just Trucks 1994 Ford F-150 SVT. The color was gray. I paid $1 for it, and I ended up selling it for $15.65. So pretty much that brings my grand total of sales, and sales, I'm not gonna say profit, sales, to $383. All right. So therefore, I still have plenty of items to sell out of that pickup, but the main point I wanted you guys to realize is that you can make your money back very quick online. It all depends on how you list the item. I believe eBay gives you up to about 60 characters in the description. Well, not a description, well, in the listing title, they give you about 60 characters. So you have 60 characters to be able to grab someone's attention. That's the key. That will get you those clicks, that will get you those views, that will get you those watches, and that will actually get you those sales. All right, I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. I'm going to be uploading videos on a regular pretty much. So I'm here to inspire you guys, and I'm also here to serve you guys. I don't want nothing from you guys. I just want you guys to get out there and try something new. Thanks for watching again. Please subscribe. Make sure you do that because you don't want to miss this heat I'm going to be coming with. Let's go.